If your weekly report only shows up after 3 reminder messages, you do not have a reporting process. You have a begging ritual. And that is more expensive than it looks. Because every week, somebody is spending energy chasing updates, waiting on responses, and stitching together numbers that should have arrived on time anyways. That is not coordination. That is waste. Here are 3 signs you should automate reporting reminders. First, the same reminder gets sent every single week. Same person, same message, same delay. 2, one reliable person has quietly become the reminder system. If they are absent, the whole reading breaks. 3, the report arrives so late that leadership can only review it, not act on it. I see this in teams. Every Monday looked the same. Operations was waiting on sales, finance was waiting on operations, manager kept sending just checking in messages. By the time the report was complete, the meeting had already started. So the team was not really managing performance, they were managing lateness. The quick wins are not some huge automation project. It is simple. Automate the reminder, automate the due date nudge, and automate the visibility of who has submitted and who has not. Now, the process does the chasing, not the manager. And that's the leadership lesson. Automation is not always about replacing work. Sometimes it's about protecting rhythm. Because once reporting becomes predictable, people stop wasting attention on follow-up and start using that attention on insight. If your report still depends on memory, you do not have discipline built into the system yet. Comment reminder and I'll send you a simple reporting reminder flow idea. Stop chasing updates. Start designing reporting discipline.